It's almost time for spring break, and some families will be taking a cruise. While that should be fun, there is something to consider: norovirus. And while norovirus isn't contained to cruise ships, according to the Centers for Disease Control, over 90% of diarrheal disease outbreaks on cruise ships are caused by norovirus. It can also spread quickly in daycare, schools, and nursing homes. Here's Dr. Paul Mayer with advice to help you stay healthy.
Well, norovirus is commonly referred to as food poisoning. It's a viral disease that's transmitted orally, so you have to ingest the virus. Usually that's from contamination from somebody else. It gets into the food. It's frequently caused by improperly prepared food or ingesting fresh fruits and vegetables, or sometimes seafood or shellfish. Norovirus causes nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea and lasts 1 to 3 days.
Dr. Bayer says they can treat norovirus symptoms with an oral medication, but to prevent dehydration, you need to be drinking water, sports drinks, or even Pedialyte in some cases. Norovirus may be a short-lived stomach bug, but it can make you feel just miserable. Here's Dr. Paul Mayer with important information on how we can prevent it in the first place.
Norovirus can be prevented by vigorous hand washing around people that are infected, and also thorough preparation of food. If you're at home, wash all your fruits and vegetables, and when cooking seafood, make sure you cook it thoroughly. Even flash steaming things like oysters isn't enough because the norovirus can persist up to like 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So thorough cooking of your seafood is important, and especially shellfish. Once you're infected, it's really contact frequent hand washing and washing of sheets and washing of towels and washing of clothes in the hottest water setting that you have for the longest cycle that you can do.
Dr. Mayer suggests if you are going on a cruise where we hear a lot about the norovirus, don't drink water unless it's from a sealed container, and don't eat fresh fruit and veggies, and make sure your food is cooked thoroughly.